Hello everyone. So in this object-oriented programming with Java, I'm going to cover the unit 1. Myself, Abhishek Shravan, Assistant Professor, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So in this particular unit, I'm going to start with the introduction. In this introduction, first I will tell you what are the features of Java, what are object-oriented programming, and why Java is also object-oriented. Okay. After that, I'm going to cover what are the features of Java. In the next section, we are going to discuss the programming structures. In this programming structure in Java, we are going to discuss how we can define classes in Java, what are the constructors, how you can access the methods, what are the different access specifiers like public, private, protected, and default, how you can declare any member as static, what are the final members, how you can place comments in Java program, what are different data types available in Java, variables, operators, and the arrays and string. So basically, this is a programming structure in which we are going to cover the detail of how you can code in Java, basically. What are the basic features available in Java? What are the basic structures available in Java? After that, we are going to cover the object-oriented programming in which we are going to learn how we can create classes, how we can create objects, inheritance, overriding, overloading, encapsulation, and polymorphism. After that, we are going to cover the abstract part of the Java, means how you can achieve abstraction in Java, how you can create interfaces. As you know, Java does not support multiple inheritance, so how we can implement this feature with the help of interface. What are abstract class? What happens if we declare any method and we have not provided the implementation? What will happen? So these features we will cover in the abstract class and the interfaces. After that, we are going to create packages. So in packages, basically, we are going to create packages, that is user-defined package. Still, Java have also predefined packages. So that particular packages are provided by JDK. So these all should be covered in the first unit. So let's start with our first part of the introduction, in which we are going to see what are the features of Java, what are the object-oriented programming. Okay, and after that, we are going to learn about the different versions of JDK we have. What are the latest versions of JDK? Okay, so this is all we covered in Unit 1. These are the references that I have used during the recording, during the content preparation. Okay. Thank you. So let's see you in the first lecture of the Unit 1, that is Introduction, Features of Java, History of Java. Thank you.